Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Vani Grish and today we are going to discuss about composting. So as I said that after 15 days I am going to empty the contents from the drum, that is so this blue drum. So the contents what you are seeing here, that is on the floor, it is the compost which we have seen 10 days before. Look at the color, it's almost 3/4 done compost. Actually this 4-layer kamba, it's been full, and you can see now I have emptied and transfer to this blue drum. So this is how it looks. You can see few maggots also, they are formed. You can see them crawling. They are part of this composting process. Here also you can see this is a matured maggot, and later it will turn into a beautiful soldier fly. So these soldier flies, you can see it's flying. Can you see? The soldier flies, they feast on the pests which is found in your garden, so they come under beneficial insect only. So it's nothing to worry about if you find any maggots in your compost bin, as they are part of this natural process. So what we are doing is aerobic composting, right? That means in the presence of oxygen we are doing the composting process. So I've collected the maggots. These are the maggots. Can you see the maggots? These are matured ones. So what I'll be doing with them is I'll be leaving nearby tree so that they'll become a soldier flies. So once its process is done, they tend to come out. They tend to come out and escape through these holes which is present in the kamba or any drum thing. So I collected them in the base of the tub. So that's why I placed a tub underneath the drum or my kamba, because maggots, once they are done with the food, they tend to escape, and in that pupa stage finally they turn to a soldier fly. If you don't keep the bin underneath your kamba, the drawback is they tend to crawl and hide themselves underneath the pots. So wherever you go you tend to find them. So it's better to place a bin to collect the maggots. You can see crawling insects, they are harmless. Actually in foreign countries they tend to feed on these maggots, as they are rich in protein and fat, it seems. Normally they tend to feed the chicken, or in other countries you can find them in their plates. They tend to release them as food. So coming to the compost part, you can see it has turned completely into black color. That means it is 3/4 done, and still it is in the process of composting, getting compost. That means decomposition process is happening. It's become so soft. It's not that soggy. So what I'll be doing is I'll be storing it in that gunny bag, and I'll place underneath the overhead tank. After some time I can find them in a matter of 15 to 1 month. It would have become a compost. I'll show you that also. So now the next process is I will be transferring the contents to the gunny bag, because I have only this kamba and this thing. So once this is full, the kamba is full, I finally transfer to them, and from this to the gunny bag. If it is a fully done compost, I will just directly transfer to my plants. Hope you enjoyed my video, friends. thank you so much for watching. And in case if you have subscribed my channel, do share it with your friends, and also click on the bell icon for the further notifications whenever I upload new videos. And hope you enjoyed your videos. Enjoy my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.